Today we're eating Filipino food for 24 hours.
Pop it.
Hey everyone, it's Jasmine.
And Chris.
Welcome back to another video and another installment of our Eating Around the World series where we explore different cultures and cuisines. And
we're back with Filipino food.
Yeah.
So if you saw our video...
I completely blanked out. That's fine, we're gonna keep going.
If you saw our video from 2 Eating Around the Worlds ago, we did Filipino food, but we're back with 3
More Filipino food.
New and fun recipes.
Yes.
Actually, 2 new and fun recipes. 3?
3
new and fun recipes. One was in a video before. We're gonna do it again.
Yes, I'm really excited. I love sharing Filipino recipes. It makes me just so happy to make foods from my childhood, be able to veganize it with other vegan Filipinos or other people who are familiar with Filipino food but want to eat it vegan. And we have a lot of fun recipes coming for you today. So I think we should just jump into breakfast.
Before we get into today's video, I wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor today, Native Deodorant. We've been using Native Deodorant for years now and absolutely love them. And now they have a 100% plastic-free variety, which is really, really cool. The formula is the same from Native that we know and love, but it's made with a 90% post-consumer recycled paper material instead of plastic. They are also part of 1% for the planet. So Native Deodorant also gives back by donating to that organization, which is really awesome. We have their citrus and herbal musk along with their eucalyptus and mint, which is our personal favorite. And if you have sensitive pits, they have something for you. This aloe and green tea variety is made without baking soda. The texture of Native Deodorant is not sticky and it dries quickly. And they also have fun seasonal summer scents, so definitely check them out. All of Native Deodorants are aluminum and paraben free, and of course they're vegan and cruelty free. If you want to check them out for yourself, they have a special deal going on right now. 3 plastic-free deodorants are normally $39, but with our link and code that's on the screen and down below, it's only $26, which is 33% off. And with our code, you can also get 20% off their body wash or toothpaste. Thank you, Native, for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back into it.
So for breakfast this morning, we are making Tortang Talong, which is an eggplant omelet. It's super simple. I'm just making a very simple version of it today. You can add other things into it. You can add some vegan meat into it as well, but I'm just doing a simple, straightforward eggplant omelet.
Tortang Talong.
So let's go. First thing we're going to do is roast our eggplants. We did this on our gas stove top, but you can also do this in the oven as well. Then we're going to set that aside to cool. In the meantime, I'm cooking up some onions and garlic until they're nice and soft. And we're going to transfer that to a container along with some vegan egg. We have vegan fish sauce, salt and pepper, and you can also add any other seasonings you'd like. Once the eggplant has cooled, we're going to peel the skin off. Then I'm using a fork here to flatten out the eggplant. You want it to get nice and flat so that the egg can coat it nicely. And if you can't remove all the skin, if there's a little left, it's totally fine. So we're gonna dip it into the vegan egg mixture, add that to our pan, and then I like to pour over a little more egg on top. Then we're just gonna cook that until it is nice and golden brown, flip it and cook it on the other side. And we like to serve ours with some ketchup and rice, and that's it. Enjoy. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this all morning. This is like the perfect comfort breakfast.
It really is. It's like weekend breakfast.
My mom actually doesn't make it with the whole eggplant. She'll make it into patties. So she'll chop up eggplant, zucchini, onions, garlic, like a bunch of different veggies.
Carrots.
Yeah, and then she'll make them into patties, and then she'll actually, I think she freezes them, right?
I don't remember.
I feel like she always has torta in the house. We just call it torta.
Yeah, the first time I had it was
so
when your
easy to
mom made it, and I've never had it in this form.
Until now. We were saying it looks like a duck or something.
Yeah, it looks a little scary.
It looks weird, but I think that's also the appeal of it, because it's like so interesting.
I would like to try it with some sort of like plant-based sausage. I think that'd be really good. Like the Impossible sausage mixed in.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Next time.
I just wanted to keep it really plain and simple today, just to give you an intro to it. And then we can make more variations on the blog, but yeah, vegan torta.
Really good.
We opted for just egg today just to make it really simple. If you want to try different vegan egg substitutes, or make your own, you're totally welcome to do that as well. We don't have a recipe for that, but we do have a
chickpea omelet that might work.
Yeah, we haven't tried it though, so if anybody tries it, let us know. That's a good soy-free version. Okay, well,
we'll see you for lunch.
For lunch today, we are preparing some soy curl Filipino barbecue. To start, in a large bowl, I'm adding some hot water and vegan beef bouillon paste. You can also use any broth you'd like as well, as long as it's hot. Then we're going to add in some soy sauce, banana ketchup, lots and lots of garlic, brown sugar, lemon juice or calamansi. Then we have white vinegar, vegan oyster sauce, sesame oil, red pepper flakes or chili sauce, and some black pepper. Mix that together until it is uniform, then add in your soy curls, and we're going to allow that to marinate for a bit. Then I'm adding some oil to my pan. I'm going to cook up my soy curls, and basically you're just gonna cook this until the liquid cooks off and they dry out and they become nice and caramelized. And you can skewer these if you want to, but we're just serving it as is, and that's it. We made our Filipino barbecue again. We made this in a previous video, but I was like, why not make it in an eating Filipino food for a day video, because it is a Filipino recipe. It is delicious and everybody needs to try this. It is not on skewers just because it's kind of annoying to put it on skewers.
It's impractical.
It's impractical. You can do it just for aesthetic purposes. We will put a photo on the screen of our blog post for it.
Also, the blog post will be linked down below with the recipe.
Yes,
along with all the other
recipes are linked down below. But this it tastes so much like Filipino barbecue. It tastes just like I remember. We're serving it with rice, of course. And what did you cook up here? It was just spinach and
broccoli with like salt, pepper.
I was like, we need some veggies with this. We need some green stuff. So
you can also like meal prep it and keep it in the fridge and eat it throughout the week.
Yeah, it lasts a while, which I like. And
it's so full of flavor.
Yeah. So we're making
Sorry to interrupt.
No, go for it.
You could put it in burritos, sandwiches.
My parents make tacos with it. They made some, and they made tacos. This one's really good with the leftovers. Soy curls are so versatile. They're such a great meat substitute. We have a whole video on soy curls if you want to check it out.
Link down below.
Link down below. There'll be some ideas in there with recipes. We're actually going to make a second recipe today with soy curls because it just works so well.
Do you want to show them the video that Cole's just sent me? Yesterday was Barry's birthday, so that was his...
He had a day at camp today. Look at him. I'll put it right here. It's so cute. He's living his best life. Made us so happy. Okay, we're going to clean up right now. I got to work up a little bit of an appetite, and then we're going to make a bomb dinner.
It's going to be good.
For dinner tonight, we are making coconut milk Filipino adobo. It is so good, packed with flavor, and I am really excited for you to try this variation of adobo. So to start, we're marinating some soy curls, actually rehydrating, I should say, soy curls in some vegan chicken broth. Then in a pan, I have coconut oil, black peppercorns, and bay leaves. We're going to toast those up, add onions and garlic, and cook those until they're nice and soft. Then add in our soaked up soy curls, along with some soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, coconut milk, fresh ginger, some light brown sugar, and lastly some garlic chili paste, which is optional but recommended. It adds the perfect spice. If you don't have this, you can also add red pepper flakes as well. We're just gonna mix that all together, and then we're going to cover it and allow it to simmer. Then remove the lid and cook off some of that liquid, but you don't want it all to disappear. One of my favorite parts of adobo is the broth or sabaw. You pour it over your rice and it's just so delicious. So that's all you gotta do, serve it with rice and enjoy. So I didn't grow up eating coconut milk adobo. I actually just saw this online one day and I was like, I need to try that out. And I think I like this version better than our other version without the coconut milk. I think it adds that perfect layer of fattiness we're missing from the vegan version, because typically you make it with meat. And it just, I can't even describe
delicious.
it. Yeah. I wish you could smell it. It smells so comforting.
Right with every meal.
Always.
Including dessert. I'm just kidding.
No. Or we
Maybe.
I should have made a rice dessert. We don't take out the ginger, bay leaves, or black peppercorns. Oh no. But you could totally take those out if you want. We kind of just eat around them. And if you get a peppercorn in your mouth, you get a peppercorn in your mouth. That's not the end of the world. The ginger, though, I don't like biting into a whole ass ginger, so that I definitely pick around.
Really, really good. This is my favorite one yet, I think.
I think me too. If you don't want to use soy curls, you can use any other vegan protein of your choice.
Tofu, tempeh.
Tofu would be great with this, actually.
Seitan.
Yeah, whatever you want. You can also do different veggies. You can add potatoes and carrots, which we've done before.
Potato sounds good.
Be able to get veggies in at the same time, because right now we don't have any, but.
I have something in my eye. Oh my.
Dessert's gonna be pretty light tonight.
I'm actually kind of scared for dessert.
It's gonna be so good, I promise. Apparently it's trending on TikTok, which I had no idea. It's kind of cool.
I liked it before it was trending, so.
It's whatever. So for dessert tonight, like I said earlier, we're keeping it light and we're doing this avocado condensed milk iced dessert. And it's really simple. Chris, I mentioned this earlier
I'm
to him.
a little apprehensive.
And he's like, what? So he called it sweet guacamole. That's what you called it?
Sweet guacamole, avocado cereal.
We're gonna see if he likes it. I know I'm gonna like it because I've eaten this before and I love it. I don't think I've had this since going vegan, so it should be interesting.
But let's find out.
This recipe is super simple and straightforward. The ingredients are in the name. You're gonna add some super ripe avocado to a bowl. I like to dice mine small, but if you want larger chunks or even if you wanna mash it, you can do that as well. Then you add over some vegan sweetened condensed milk. I also like to add a little oat milk as well, or any plant-based milk, just to get it a little more runny. Then you add some ice, mix it together, and dig in. I know to some people this looks very strange, but I promise you this is gonna be your new favorite way to eat avocado. And if you don't have sweetened condensed milk, you can also just add some sugar and plant-based milk as well. So, Chris, what do you think so far, just of the look of this?
This is avocado iced cereal. Actually, would this be like avocado halo halo minus the beans?
Ooh, look at that. I don't know. So halo halo is like a shaved ice, like you. It's, oh my god, I gotta get the shaved ice. Yeah, so it's a little different. You could also, I've seen people do no ice, and then they kind of puree the avocado with the condensed milk and then put that in the freezer, and it becomes kind of like ice cream. So for ours, we use the.
Do you eat the ice?
Yeah, but you don't have to. Sweetened condensed oat milk, and this stuff is so sweet it kind of hurts. So I did add a little just splash of plain oat milk as well because I didn't want it to hurt us. What?
I don't know.
If we don't like it, I won't be offended.
No, I mean, it's avocado. I think I like it. It's just like a very interesting flavor combination.
Really?
It's not like overly sweet. I thought it would be way sweeter.
Well, I put the oat milk in it. I didn't want to just do it straight up because I feel like it would have been gross.
I actually like it. This is sweet guacamole.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's so good. Like, it's like fatty, sweet, I don't know, rich, everything. It has everything in it.
I like it. I'm a believer.
We also made a version with just oat milk and sugar. This is if you don't have condensed milk.
Or don't want to use it.
Or don't want to use it, yeah. I don't know how this one's going to taste, though.
The other one's better.
The other one's way better. This one's not bad, though.
This is literally just avocado iced cereal.
I think we should have used like a liquid sweetener. It would have been a little better, but it's not bad.
I like this one.
Oh my god, this is so good.
The condensed milk helps like thicken this up a little bit too.
I'm so happy to like it. I haven't had this. I feel like I haven't had this since going vegan. We hope you enjoyed our full day of eating.
If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let us know what other foods and cuisines you'd like us to try. We have a whole bunch of recommendations from our previous video, so we're going to be working on them. These videos do take a little more timing and planning than some of our other videos, so
but I love
bear with
making
us.
them.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
We will put our full Eating Around the World playlist down below, and all the recipes again for this video will be linked down below as well. We really hope that you enjoy these recipes. Try them out, let us know what you think, and we'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
Bye.